Anyway, we have a Pelican APEX 80XE. And it's been patched before, but obviously both surfaces were not hot. So that's how easily the old patch just came off. Yeah. Again, I say both surfaces have to be hot. Hot plastic sticks to hot plastic. See, that part is stuck on good. So plastic under here was obviously hot. And they did use wire mesh, but I mean, I do this a lot, so I know the ins and outs of repairing kayaks. So yeah, and just like that, the old patch is off. Well, one of them. Here's another one right here. And look how easy that came off. And the gentleman that dropped these off to me right now, this one, there's another one over there, and those two yellow ones. He's actually on his way. I don't know. I think he said he was buying 2 kayaks, or maybe he didn't even say. He said he's going to Tractor, or he was going to buy them from Tractor Supply. The Tractor Supply wanted $150 to have them delivered to the store. Like, what kind of BS is that? Yeah, I'll rejuvenate the bottom of this. Yeah, you can see where this was probably a dark green stripe all the way through here. But yeah, I'll fix this. There's a little hole there. I'll probably, just for grins, add some plastic to that. Yeah. We're good. Alright, well, that's the preparation. I didn't really wash it or clean it or anything, but hey, speaking of cleaning, I need to mix me up some more simple green. See, here's I wonder if Debbie can make these. I'm sure she can. I'll ask her. What am I looking for? Oh, my little brush for cleaning, which obviously is not here. Ah, well. Oh, you know where it is? I think it's in here. Ah, well. I ain't gonna mess with it right now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. You know the routine. Well, I guess I should have recorded how I patched the hole, but you can see here, on here where I added all the plastic, where the hole was. It's probably a 1/4 inch thick. Did the same thing over here. So basically what I do is I patch the hole with plastic, and then I add the wire mesh and then put more plastic over that. And here's some scratches right here. So that's what I'm working on now. And actually this over here seemed a little thin, so I'm actually going to put a little thicker plastic on this side. Sorry about the nose breathing, but I've had my nose broken a few times. I used to like to fight. With anybody for anything. Size didn't matter. And again, I say this is going to look ugly before it looks good. So, but this is going to be way stronger than the original plastic. You see how it kind of pushes in there a little bit? That's where the original plastic is a little thin. I mean, I really caked it on right here. I'll switch to left hand so my fingers will stop popping in the video. But the trick is, seal the patch first, put water inside the kayak and test it, make sure it's not leaking, and once it's not leaking, or once you're sure it's not leaking, then you do the wire mesh. Obviously I didn't record that part, but you can watch a couple of my other videos where I do that and record it. Actually, I only record it when it's leaking, so you can see this one didn't leak, so didn't bother recording it. I guess that's opposite of what most people would do. They would just show you that they fixed it. They won't show you that it leaked a couple of times. I can't get that to stay down. Yeah. Alright, that's enough recording of this. Come back later. Alright, this patch is finished. Needs a little smoothing out, and other than that, this right here is probably 1/2 inch thick, because before I was able to push down on it, but there's nothing moving on there now. I might have to do that to the front keel also, what I'm going to do with this right here is I'm going to hit this with the sandpaper, smooth it out as much as possible. And then I'll set my heat gun on 1350. And just heat the surface up. So, actually I'll do that with you watching. High heat is 1350. So all I'm going to wait for is when it starts to get a little shiny, there it goes. I got to get the kayak surface hot too, so that they will blend together. This is the same way I rejuvenate the bottom of all the kayaks. Well, the ones that really need it. And you notice I'm really close to the kayak. Me meaning the heat gun. But I've been doing this long enough, I know exactly how far I can and can't go. If I was to start doing this without paying attention, yeah, nothing right through. Stupid Facebook. There's a little piece popping up right there. See that? That's plastic that did not get adhered to the bottom surface. That's why you heat down here. Make sure that see, there's looks like a little gap right there. I don't know where I put my roller. Shoot. This might work. Just like a rolling pin. Yeah, see how this came up right here? Ouch. Yeah, I'll hit that again with the iron. And that's done. All right, we'll turn this off. It's cooling off, but it's still hot. So I'm going to heat the surface on this one real quick. I did notice that when I was working on that one over there, it only had a small, maybe 2-inch hole in it, but all the area out here in front of it was really thin, because when I was heating it, I could see that it was flexing in really easily. So I went ahead and coated the whole area. It needed a good keel guard anyway. Yeah, it's not very hot. I need to put a little piece of, I'm going to put a piece of wire mesh that goes down in here and around this, but not right now. And I'm just using some green, it's really dark green. It was an old paint tray. I scraped as much of the paint off as I could, but it gets these little flecks in it, but they don't hurt nothing. And there you have it. Yeah, this is really thick in here. Because I heated it up and it actually dented in a little bit, and I filled all that in with plastic. I adhered the plastic to the both sides and filled it in. And looking good. Somebody sprayed it with spray paint. I mean, I'll probably do that too, but I'll probably lay something over it so that it has like a little pattern, or I don't know, maybe put a fishtail or something. And this one here, I'll probably, just for grins, yeah, see, this is still hard, but yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Thinking about adding a little keel guard here. But the problem is, I have two of these. I'd have to do the same thing to both of them. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.